So I mean, this machine has so many purpose. Can bring up the double eyelid line, can make a beautiful double eyelid line. So we can do all these things with small plasma. Okay. So this one, she has no double eyelid line, so we create a double eyelid line. But of course, you have to understand, the one with a lot of fat here cannot. You have to do surgery. Okay, just like some no fat here, you can do the suture technique to make the double eyelid line, right? Same, we can do. But the one a lot of fat here, you have to cut and remove the fat. So this is a surgical case, okay? But this one, so this is the patient just now on the video. Before, there is no double eyelid. Immediately after 5 minutes. Okay? So we can create double eyelid. And this is the original machine flexor, which I told you, $30,000 US. Very expensive, okay? So this is a small dot. This is our RF cannula. Many of you saw it already. Or this is also non-surgical eye bag removal. If, for example, you looked at this video, you might be, if you were not doing this treatment before, wow, that's too much. But I tell you, this is a super easy treatment. If we just do the one hands-on together, you can do it, okay? And this is the powder filler. This is a more finer than Sculptra. So this is our powder filler. Okay, after that we do the plasma for the lower area. Because this patient had a lot of the wrinkles, okay? So these wrinkles and the eye bag, we can treat with some of the combinations. But of course, if you want to treat the wrinkle alone, then you can do plasma alone. Later, you will see in the live demonstration, I will do one side, you will see one side go up like this, okay? Actually, this is an old technique, okay? This is a very old, I mean, even the very early technique. Now we have upgraded a lot. So what is the mechanism behind this? How this one can treat the wrinkle and the lifting? If you make the right distance, you have the you can see later the skin contraction. Okay, the mechanism behind here is skin contraction. Upper and lower, we can do all. Okay. This is another one with the eye bag, the super tornado for the eye bag thread. So sometimes I make like a plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. I do together, okay, to bring up the best effect. Okay, this is booming even in Europe, the non-surgical eyeball treatment. Okay, this is the patient just now we finished. Can you see the fine wrinkles here? Yeah, these wrinkles here. This improve all here. So this is after the skin contraction. Okay? And then of course we can do many things, you know. This is the major things. I don't know, wait, I showed some of the picture here. Yeah, this is a before, the 1, 2 double eyelid line, but we changed it to 1, as I told you just now. Okay, this one, just like this one, 1, 2, but we changed it to 1. So we can correct the This is a before, this is after. Can you imagine, just 5 minutes, you can do all these things. And then small wrinkles, still we can treat on the crow's-feet. Of course here we have 2 types of the wrinkle. The one formed naturally, and number 2, the one because of the sagging. Because of this sagging, then you have to lift up. But if not, this wrinkle, we can do this kind of treatment, can improve also. Okay. And then, yeah, small warts, you can remove it. They are not puncturing the skin, okay? You go near to the skin, then you see the plasma spark. So you can remove the small warts. Okay, very easy, just less than 1 minute, okay? And this is our latest upgrade machine, so it's quite powerful. This is the latest machine. So we use here, we call it linear vertical lifting technique. Okay, the plasma, also there is a technique. So we call it the vertical linear lifting technique. Okay.
轉頭啊，轉頭啊，你放喺度咗。
Okay, so these are some of the techniques and the videos. Okay, so this is the. Can you see this patient? She's more than 55 years old. She has a double eyelid here, but you can see this one drooping. So this is after 5 minutes. It's the real photo, okay? This is a Caucasian. Can you see one side is drooping here? This one, she has a good double eyelid, but this one drooping here. So we did it here. This is over 5 minutes. We can finish the lifting of the eyebrow in 5 minutes. So we can do all these things. This is from the doctor from Russia. So she has a deep wrinkle here. So we treat like this. This is a 1 month after. Okay, so we can treat the wrinkle by itself, and then we can do the lifting, and we can do many things with this small machine. Okay. So, this is the ultra V plasma. Okay, so I think the patient is ready.
Yes,
Okay,
they're
let's
ready.
start. So we have a 3 case.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have a 3D.